I'm Susan. Today I'm doing week 29 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something related to a sport or physical activity. I've got these swimmers. Anything that starts with a G. I've got a giraffe. A clock or a watch. I've got this clock. A color associated with spring. I've got the pink and I've got the blue here. Oh, something sharp. I've got these cactus. And the bonus was a candy wrapper or cough drop wrapper, and I've got this Hershey's. And it was from Easter, so I know that's spring. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I think what I'm going to do, this is going to be a surreal. And I want to put my clock up there, but I'm going to tuck, I love the background, and I want to leave the background, but I think I'm going to tuck the trees and the cactus around it. And I'm going to put my candy wrapper right there. And I've got this cup. You probably see where I'm going with this. I want my giraffe to be tucked in there. And we're going to have him diving into the cup. And we're going to have her waiting. See, I don't know if I want her on the trees or on, I think I want her on the trees. She's going to be waiting to dive. So I think that's going to be fun. But I've got some cutting to do. So first, let me see. Let me get my giraffe. See, I may. Okay. So I need to kind of go around the trees. Like that. And I want to come up, oops, with my cactus. Can tuck my giraffe in there. I know I asked how y'all are doing. I said I hope you're doing great. I'm doing pretty good. My husband did get the grass cut. We're still watching Murdoch. And I'm still reading the Vampire Knitting Club. It's fun. I read it a while back, but it's been so long I don't remember all of the story. And they actually, on my Kindle, had books 1 through 3 for 99 cents. So I got those, even though I already had number 1. It's still cheaper to buy the 3 set than it is to buy them individual. Okay, have that there. Tuck the see if I have enough room to. Oops, sorry about that. Get. We'll tuck our giraffe in. There we go. There we go. Kind of keep catching on something. Okay. That down. Tell you what, let me go ahead and get my clock down so it'll quit moving on me. I'll just do the two sides, because it's going up in the top corner anyway. Okay. Now, let me tuck my giraffe in where I want him. That's why I'm having issues. I didn't cut that well. There we go. Give me kind of like he's eating. Get him down. It's always fun to do surreal. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. I just have fun with it. I was scared to do them at first, but I really enjoy them. I like quirky. Okay, so now let me get my Hershey's. All right. I've been putting my jelly prints on my postcard. I jelly printed yesterday, and I'm participating in the challenge that Carrie Griffiths is doing, and I have got matte medium all over my hands from backing my postcards with the jelly prints. I should say backing. Yeah. Backing them to the... I did these. So I used matte medium to get my papers down. Alright. Let me see here. I did kind of want to... have it tuck it kind of... just a little bit. Let me see here. There we go. Put that so I wouldn't lose my pen, which I've lost one this week. Now I want chocolate. Oh shoot. Probably should use glue stick. standing like that. And we'll have him right there. Yep. I hope I'm in frame. My bigger books, I tend to end up moving out of frame. Fun. Okay, I think it's okay for me now to glue it down, so I won't have any more cutting to do. Now I need to trim that right there. There we go. It's always fun. Now my giraffe and my divers came with my extraordinary things to cut in collage. Okay, I will go around them with my Stabila awl. Just to help them to pop from the background a little. Have my giraffe. I probably won't wet it, just define them. I think that helps a lot. Let me get her. Could smear it with my finger. Won't be quite so dark. Alright, now him. So we have got something related to a sport or physical activity. We've got the divers, swimmers. Anything that starts with a G. We have a giraffe, a clock or a watch. I've got my clock. Something sharp. We've got the cactus. A color associated with spring. We've got the pink and the like the baby bird blue. And bonus was a candy wrapper or cough drop wrapper, and I've got my candy wrapper. So I'm real pleased with how this looks. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel and the hashtag 2024CW29 to see what everyone else has made this week. Y'all take care. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.